Hi guys, it's me again, Ernest Casina Cam. But today I'm not gonna cook. I'm going to unbox this item that I purchased online yesterday. I think late afternoon, and it's just arrived today through Amazon. I need a new sheet music stand because the one that I have is not really able to hold a thick book. So this is it. We're gonna unbox this, and afterwards we're going to assemble. I'm using a song stand or sheet music stand for my guitar, and also at the same time my son can use in the future when he's ready to learn how to play guitar. So this is it. There's the bag, and as you can see also here guys, in the back of the box there's already step-by-step how to install or put together the item. And there's the pad. Oops. Just gonna put this back. There we go. Yep, I think this is more stable, sturdy than the one that I have. So this one is the new one, and then I'll show you guys the one that I have, which is here. So as you can see, it's really a huge difference because it's kind of thin, and I need to put this book. Look at this book, it's really thick, so I have to use the new one. Because I think it's adjustable, the length of the stand. So this is the base. So I do believe so, it's the base. So all you have to do is just, and connect the middle part. This. Yep, and you can adjust the height. Just trying to adjust. And then this is the part to connect the tray, because this is the tray. So I do believe that I have to hook this up over here. I think no need to use any tools for this, which is really good. So this one guys, I thought it's an extra one. So this one is it will be used as a desktop stand. So that's really neat. All I have to do is to connect this. See here. So this is the adjustable knob. See, you can adjust the tray. Insert the extendable tube in a tripod, tighten with the adjustment knob, and install the sheet music. So all I have to do is just slide this here. Should like slip this all the way. It's kind of tricky, but I'm sure it's gonna. Yep, this is it guys. Yep, and then tighten up. I'm sure, I hope that I slip all the way. Just want to make sure that I slip all the way so that I need to scroll, tighten up, and then this is it guys. Boom, it's done. I got my music stand here. I'm gonna tighten this really good. Yep, this is it. Let's compare this with my other stand here. Oh my goodness, look at that. I hope this is really good. So there you go guys, my new music stand. And then this is the old one that I have. So this is for my small, music sheets music. And you can see the comparison that this is more sturdy than this one. So I think this one only can hold like a thinner pieces of sheets or sheets of music. So see that guys. So and then I'm gonna try to put the other one. There you go guys, the thicker book that I put in my music stand. That's really neat. So I don't have to struggle in reading my music. Also guys, in the box it is also included this music clip folder, or a clip for music sheets. And then there's also a clear folder here with some you can attach your music sheets here. And then the desktop holder if you want to use the music tray is, and then also a bag. That is really nice. I mean, you can take your music stand if you want to take it somewhere. You just disassemble and then put it in the bag, and that's the brand or the name of the item. Here you go guys. Hope you enjoy watching this video and the content, and please let me know what do you think about this video, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification bell for more upcoming videos. Bye.